A couple of men in their 60s at last making an attempt to find the purpose of their lives, their higher calling, could have been a stunning, introspective, deeply moving story. Alas, what you receive is unfortunately a flat film about the mountains. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is where you'll find all my movie reviews on my channel and some interviews also coming up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. And if this review speaks to you, please go ahead and share. Today we're talking about Suraj Barjatia's Unchai, now in movie theatres.
इस जीवन का यही है रंग रूप.
Danny Ding Zongpa is Bhupin, seemingly a restaurateur now in Delhi, trying to convince his 3 lifelong friends to make a trip to Everest Base Camp. No one pays his requests any heed until the day Bhupin succumbs to a sudden heart attack, the day after his birthday party, in fact. This triggers something in the assumed leader of the group, Amitabh Bachchan's Amit Shrivastava, who convinces by hook and crook the other two, Boman Irani's Javed and Anupam Kher's Om, to agree to go on the ABC trek. Portraying older, vulnerable people as hapless objects of pity and sympathy is a game Bollywood is very skilled at. A lot of it comes from Rajshri movies as well. Suraj Barjatia seems aware of this and makes an attempt to change the discourse encouraged by his own previous productions, but it's not without some shade at a younger, thankless generation, which isn't quite as bad as Aman Verma from Baghban, but should still be more like Salman Khan from Baghban. Baghban was not a Rajshri film, but it felt like one. The result is Pariniti Chopra, the camp leader for the trek, getting sanctimoniously yelled at a lot for being upset that a bunch of nearly 70-year-olds are slowing her group down. But she also gets to explain why it's ethically wrong for her to let them continue after Amit has had a near-fatal incident. But eventually she has to eat crow because come what may, Amit, Javed and Om's aged bodies bend to their will and against medical advice they continue on. So she ends up looking silly.
नहीं बैठना हमें घर पे, हमें पहाड़ चढ़ने हैं, नदियां पार करनी है, जंगलों में घूमना है.
Putting the sexy and sexagenarian is Amit Shrivastava, which just so happens to be Amitabh Bachchan's actual family name. And everything Amit does in this film is an attempt to show directly to the movie-watching audience how young and attractive and energetic both the character and the actor playing him are. When he takes phone calls, he's on a treadmill. We first meet him at a photo shoot where Gen Z run up to him asking for autographs, wondering out loud how he's so fit at this age. He's mega active on Instagram, even does the real dances with kids at a birthday party. These are all fun touches towards developing a character, but when his all is lost moment does eventually arrive, it's plonked so suddenly and a little haphazardly into the screenplay, it fails to deliver the emotional whiplash it was designed to. What Unchai does get right is the casting. The lead performers and Neena Gupta and Sarika, they're all stupendous. The little that this movie works is thanks to them. Om is a cantankerous bookstore owner, unable to recognize the need to evolve his profession and personality, both. A rigid patriarch, crushing his own soul little by little every day. We know this generation of men, some of us closely. To the movie's credit, Om's insolence is not praised or painted as a way of life to aspire to. But for the writing to make that point, his tantrums are so loud, his meltdowns are comical. In one scene, after Om's older brother unkindly but rightfully admonishes him for abandoning their ancestral Haveli and not pulling his weight with regards to contributing to the repairs, this concept of accountability is so foreign to this man, he fully breaks down and has to be consoled. Suraj Barjatia is a magical, mystical creature who may or may not exist. There have been very few recent sightings. Stories about him being a movie-making genius abound. Anyone in the industry who has worked with him or seen him at work only has the most wonderful, amazing things to say about him. This might be his most personal film yet, about having seen incredible glory days, but now struggling to keep up with not one, but about nearly 2 younger generations. His characters here are learning to unlearn and adapt. They're letting go while holding on. Their conflict is the inability to keep up with the times, and in that sense, this film is at least honest.
The key to an easy trek is a steady trek. चलते रहेंगे तो थकान महसूस नहीं होगी.
One wishes it was crafted better and there didn't have to be a scene with Amitabh Bachchan and Boman Irani ogling at white women in bathing suits at a swimming pool, because that's precisely why public spaces like swimming pools are unsafe for women like me, and stand-up comics get fodder to make fun of aunties in their salwar suit at a beach. I just don't see the joke. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Unchai is 10 million followers Amitabh Bachchan has on Instagram, his character in this film. Such a sweet, earnest attempt to speak to the millennials this film is making. But it's so obvious and apparent, it kind of breaks your heart.
All right, everybody smile.
Before you leave, do check out my other reviews this week. We've covered Monica, Oh My Darling, Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. Coming up next is an interview with director Vasan Bala. We're talking about Monica, Oh My Darling, and there's a review on Crown Season 5 also coming up. What? Subscribe कर लीजिए, आपको पता चलता रहेगा. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.